technology, the truth.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Carl from RC Robotics here, and today we are here with one of my childhood friends. This isn't the original one that I had from my childhood. This has been given to me, handed down through people at the club. This was originally handed down to someone else at the club, and they couldn't get it to fly, so they handed it over to me, and they said, yeah, you know, you can make a video on it, you can make something with this video, make something with the plane. So I did. Sure enough, all the original electronics, original transmitter was good, servos, receiver, and the brain that comes in the middle of this plane was good, and the battery was completely dead. We tried charging it, didn't work. I tried finding a LiPo life battery which would work. Every single one I have is a flight pack, so it's pretty, too big to fit in this. So I thought, you know what, I've got brushless motors, I've got servos, digital servos, so yeah, let's make it into a brushless conversion and bring it into the 21st century. So that's what we did. If you remember these airframes, these are called Aerobird Extreme from, I think, was it Ritmax? I think when I was a kid I remember Ritmax making them, or Ritmax sort of made these sort of, low wing pusher prop planes. But yeah, anyway, fantastic little model which I've converted to brushless. So let's plug the battery in and see how she handles, on 21st century technology. We've also gone and put some ailerons in the wings. You can see the original one didn't have ailerons; it just had differential steering with the V-tail. So, one came up, both of those V-tail sort of control surfaces are on one servo, and we've got to put some ailerons in there. So let's get it plugged in. Woo!
Imagine that coming towards you.
I think that's where the centre of gravity is. I'm chucking it towards down the bottom end of the field. Okay, I'm really quite scared now.
Don't say that.
Actually, so yeah, we've got elevator, ailerons.
Ooh.
We even have some flaps. Power. Make sure my finger's not in the way. Woo. Okay, ready to go? See, now that is weird. The wind is changing every 5 minutes. It's blowing that way now. It was blowing that way a second ago.
Happy.
Got barely any left aileron. It might be just. Very nice.
Funny thing about it is, it's so thin. You take it, any distance away, it literally disappears on camera.
Yeah. Smooth. This crosswind isn't helping us at all. Good footage of it.
Yeah.
What's now going to be fun is landing it, because the wind has changed from down the strip to right behind us. I'm wondering why.
Crosswind.
It didn't want to fly straight, but the wind's now literally straight behind us. try and bring it round the strip.
Okay.
Clear.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, I got such a good
Okay,
video
so
of that.
we'll try and come back on a much calmer day, and not only calmer, maybe later on this evening. We're going to postpone the flight, unplug the battery, go and get a nice cup of tea, and we'll come back later when it's a nice calmer. So I'll see you later, guys. Thank you very much for joining us today, guys. This was the Aerobird Extreme. There are going to be some future videos with this aircraft. There's a lot more we can do with it. I do have some plans, FPV, camera shit maybe, we can stick a GoPro on there. But yeah, this is just a quick, you know, just to show what I've done to the plane, converting it to brushless. So thank you very much for joining us today, guys. Because my channel did hit over 150 subscribers last week, I'm going to be doing another prize giveaway just to say thank you to my subscribers. So the first place prize winner can win themselves a rubber band gun and tornado spheres, which is a little cool optical illusion using ball bearings and LED lights. And then second place prize winner is going to get themselves just the tornado spheres, little optical illusion. So yeah, all you have to do to enter the competition is click that subscribe button. All my subscribers are going to be automatically entered into the competition, and I will announce the winner on the 30th of September this month. So thanks very much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Touching the truth.